The impact of artificial intelligence on the future of work, opportunities and challenges. Artificial intelligence (AI) is revolutionizing the workplace, creating both exciting opportunities and significant challenges. As AI technologies become more advanced, they are reshaping industries, transforming job roles, and influencing the skills needed for the workforce of the future. Below is a detailed exploration of how AI is impacting work, the opportunities it presents, and the challenges that need to be addressed. 1. Opportunities presented by AI. 1.1. Increased efficiency and productive execution of repetitive tasks. AI systems can handle repetitive tasks faster and with greater accuracy than humans. This includes data entry, basic decision-making processes, and routine customer service interactions. As a result, employees can focus on more strategic and creative aspects of their jobs. Enhanced decision-making. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data quickly, providing insights that help businesses make informed decisions. This can lead to better outcomes in areas like supply chain management, financial planning, and marketing strategies. 1.2. Creation of new job categories. Development and maintenance roles. As AI becomes more prevalent, there's a growing demand for professionals who can develop, implement, and maintain AI systems. This includes data scientists, AI specialists, machine learning engineers, and AI ethicists. AI-enhanced roles. AI tools can augment existing jobs, allowing workers to perform their tasks more efficiently. For example, in healthcare, AI can assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, leading to more accurate and quicker diagnoses. 1.3. Business innovation and growth. Personalized customer experiences. AI allows companies to offer highly personalized products and services, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. For example, AI-driven recommendation systems help e-commerce platforms suggest products based on individual preferences. New business models. AI is enabling the creation of entirely new business models, such as platforms based on predictive analytics, AI-driven logistics, and personalized digital marketing. 2. Challenges posed by AI. 2.1. Job displacement and workforce disruption. Atonement of jobs. One of the most significant challenges is the displacement of jobs due to automation. Routine and low-skilled jobs are at the highest risk, leading to unemployment and social inequality. Workers in manufacturing, retail, and administrative sectors are particularly vulnerable. Skills gap. As AI takes over certain tasks, there is a growing need for workers with new skills, such as data analysis, machine learning, and AI system management. This shift requires significant retraining and upskilling, which can be difficult for workers and employers. 2.2. Ethical and privacy concerns. Bias and fairness. AI systems can unintentionally perpetuate biases present in their training data, leading to unfair outcomes in areas like hiring, lending, and law enforcement. Ensuring that AI is developed and deployed in a fair and transparent manner is a significant challenge. Privacy issues. AI systems often rely on vast amounts of personal data. The collection, storage, and use of this data raise privacy concerns, especially when it comes to sensitive information. Striking the right balance between innovation and privacy protection is crucial. 3. Economic and social inequality. Wage polarization. AI may contribute to wage polarization, where high-skilled workers in AI-related fields see wage increases, while low-skilled workers face wage stagnation or decline. This could exacerbate economic inequality. Geopolitical impact. The uneven adoption of AI across different regions and countries could lead to geopolitical tensions, as some economies benefit more from AI-driven growth while others lag behind. 3. Strategies for addressing AI challenges. 3.1. Education and training. Reskilling and upskilling. Governments and businesses need to invest in education and training programs that equip workers with the skills needed for the AI-driven economy. Lifelong learning and continuous professional development should be encouraged. STEM education, promoting science, technology, engineering, and mathematics STEM education is critical to preparing the future workforce for AI-related jobs. Encouraging diversity in these fields will also help to mitigate biases in AI Development 3.2. Ethical AI development, fairness, and transparency. AI systems should be designed to be fair, transparent, and accountable. Developers must ensure that AI algorithms are free from biases and that their decision-making processes can be understood and challenged when necessary. Regulatory frameworks. Governments need to establish clear regulatory frameworks that address the ethical implications of AI, including issues related to bias, privacy, and the impact on employment. 3.3. Social safety net support for displaced workers. Social safety nets, such as unemployment benefits and retraining programs, should be strengthened to support workers displaced by AI-driven automation. This will help mitigate the negative impacts on individuals and communities. Universal Basic Income (UBI). Some experts advocate for UBI as a potential solution to the economic disruption caused by AI. By providing a guaranteed income, UBI could help reduce the economic inequality exacerbated by AI. 4. Conclusion: the impact of AI on the future of work presents both opportunities and challenges. While AI has the potential to significantly enhance productivity, create new job categories, and drive business innovation, it also poses risks such as job displacement, ethical concerns, and economic inequality.
To fully realize the benefits of AI while mitigating its drawbacks, a collaborative effort between governments, businesses, educators, and society is essential. By investing in education, promoting ethical AI development, and strengthening social safety nets, we can navigate the challenges and create a future where AI benefits everyone.